alam ko na bago tayo nakilala, or bago kita nakilala, priority mo yung pamilya mo. Ikaw yung breadwinner ng pamilya mo. Iyaga, supportan din na sa mga pangarap mo. Dito ako ang malalay sa iyo. Kahit magadistansya ang nililay natin. Pero yung pagmamahal ko sa iyo,
I love you more, ha? I love you more.
Talagang walang katumbas. Diya, salamat dahil binigyan mo ako ng tsansa para kilalanin ako. Sa una, alam ko na wala pa. Kasi nga, may mga iba't ibang syempre mga mas nauna pa. Pero yung sinasabi ko sa akin, sarili, na gagawin yung best ko para mapasagot. Siyempre, wala akong ibang ihanag sa'yo, yung birthday wishes ko lang sa'yo. Focus ka lang sa goal mo. Family, studies. Siyempre, yung pag-vlog mo kasi dyan din kayo kumukuha. Basta ka, huwag kang ma-hesitate na mag-approach sa amin. Ano mang problema yan. Hindi na ako iba sa'yo. You're no official. Basta ka, alam ko, ako yung mas nakatanda sa atin. Alam ko yung limitations ko. Hindi porket naging official tayo, i-break natin yung mga limitations. Andun pa rin sa mga boundaries, sa mga yung mga pinapayo ng ibang tao. Basta ka, thank you so much dahil nakilala kita, and syempre nagsama tayo ng ilang buwan at taon at mas lalo kitang nakilala pa, and hopefully ka tayo na hanggang sa dulo. Happy birthday!
And the langga without the dodong. Tama po ba? Yes! It's official. Ladies and gentlemen, we have listened to the hearts of our beautiful people expressing their best wishes for our dearest Rachel May. Rachel, we also would wish you and encourage your best years to come. If you're ready, you please go near your cake table now as we sing the heartiest birthday song for you. Ladies and gentlemen, may we kindly request everyone to please stand. Let us all stand, everybody, as we sing the heartiest birthday song for our Davidson Langga. Tumayo po ang lahat. Everyone, we're gonna sing the birthday song twice. One fast beat, the other one faster beat. If everyone is ready, clap your hands to the beat of the song. Are we ready? Let's do it! Happy birthday to you.
Ayun o! Ayun o! Yay! Ayun o! Ayun pala eh! Hindi ka naman nag-iisip. Dito na o! Dito na po! Pasok! Kasi dalawa ka.
Okay po tayo. Ako. Sabi na po tayo mag-enjoy po. Wala po nang nabababa.
Gumagawa.
Opo, sabi na po kayo na. Enjoy po. Let's go. In 5, 4, 2, and action po. Kawai.
Alford, eksena ka dyan.
Sumama kami kanina.
1, 2, 3. Kami naman.
Ano tayo mga wala po muna bababa. Hindi lang po tayo sa laban ng hospital po. Pwede po tayo sa biyak. Upo tayo na. Upo kayo kumalawin. 5.
Modern na.
Bubble. Si Lola Marie.
Ay, nandito po.
Sila Maritso. Lamaring. Pwede na pumasok.
Ang ganda.
Pwede na pumasok. Sige. Pa-picture pwede ba?
Gaganda naman. Hello.
Hindi na kilala ko yan. Ikaw ang pero.
Bro.
Magandang gabi.
Hello, magandang gabi.
Bayan.
Magandang gabi, bayan. Hello.
Kahit pa-picture tayo.
Sila mama mo na sa loob na.
Hey, pa-picture tayo kayo.
Sama na sila. Aray sana.
Sige, sige. Ayan po sila, Angie, ayan.
Cute kayo. Kung hindi, pasok na. Pasok na kayo. Ma'am, kayo po. Oo nga. Benta na namin.
Ha?
Sabi ka saan ka na, nandito na kayo.
Kuya, paano wala? Ay, ito lang ba tayo?
Sige, kami po ngayon nakasama. Kita-kita po tayo mamaya mali sa second part ng ating mamimigay na ating mga prizes. Mga kaibigan, let us welcome. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Muli po isang masigap pong palakpakan mga kaibigan.
Maria Nasukeno, a big hand. Girls, feel joy. But the other equally beautiful grandma, the other root of our family, please welcome to our maternal grandmother, Mrs. Susan Arriba. Let's give her a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for our dearest grandma. Thank you. Joining us are their beautiful children. Please welcome Miss Chrissy Bustamante. Let's give her a big hand. We also have Mr. Glenn Bustamante. Nico Bustamante. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have the pleasure of introducing a big hand for Mr. Arnel Tito Donat Morales. Let's give him a round of applause. Joining our dearest Tito Donat are his children. Please welcome Mr. Nate Simon Morales. We have his beautiful daughter, Miss Natalie Sia Morales. Extending helpful hands, embracing our dearest Rachel May are these two beautiful individuals. Please welcome in a big hand for Miss Dennis Barson and Miss Annabelle Aguilar. Let's give them a round of applause. All the way from Bukidnon, ladies and gentlemen, the aunt of our dearest Rachel May, Miss Mary Joy Arriba. Let's give her a round of applause. And the equally special maternal uncle, Mr. Rolando Arriba. To the equally beautiful uncle, Mr. Maxime Arriba. My pleasure of introducing to everybody the sister, Miss Kathleen Althea Morales. Let's give her a round of applause. The brother, Mr. Ian Chris Morales. And to the equally beautiful sister, Miss Shirley K. Morales. And here we go for Miss Hazel Ann Morales, the equally beautiful sister of our Rachel May. As we would love to recognize and honor our dearest mom, Mom couldn't go anywhere. She would always stay in our hearts forever. Mom, please stay beside your daughter because I'm calling this time the siblings of our Rachel May. Please welcome Miss Kathleen Althea, Mr. Ian Chris, Miss Charlotte K, and Miss Hazel Ann. Let's give them a big hand. The beautiful siblings of our Langa. Thank you. the family of our dearest Rachel May from the Morales side of her family. So may I have, of course, the attention of our grandma, Mrs. Maria Nazareno, together with our aunt and uncle, Mr. Benchi and Mrs. Maribel Bustamante, together with our dearest Tito Donat and their children. Maraming salamat po. Thank you to the Arriba side of our family. You may be seated po, Grandma. May we have our dearest Kay. Thank you po. All our family from Bukidnon. And may we have the Morales side of our family. Thank you, Grandma. Now I know why Rachel is pretty. She looks like Grandma. Thank you, the family. And now may we have the Morales side of our family. Tito Donat, your children, Mr. Benchi and Mrs. Maribel Bustamante, together with your children din po. Maraming salamat. Ladies and gentlemen, we're doing this for our family to save all the best moments that they can and we can for all of them. This does not happen all the time, and that is why thank you for the understanding of everybody and the patience. We are also introducing to everyone and meeting them for the first time in person, the family of our dearest Rachel May. Ladies and gentlemen, the side of our family from the Morales side. Thank you. Please remain standing, for your dearest Dodo is going to join you. Nong, may I have you together with Langga, right there. Thank you so much. I love the look in your eyes. It makes me feel so
Dito talaga. Bawal dun.
Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Matuba.
Ha?
For raising a son like Ruel. Maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the family of your Dodong. Let's give them a round of applause.
Happy birthday ha! Happy birthday! Saan tayo?
Dito.
Dito lang din. Okay, happy birthday! Yan po, birthday po pala ni Kalingap Dan ngayon.